Are you contemplating buying a self-cleaning cat litter box? Yet there are so many options available, it can be difficult to understand what's best suited for your cat. To aid in your decision, we'll be covering one of the best self-cleaning cat litter box, for multiple cats. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective product, the FULLOVE self-cleaning cat litter box fits that desire perfectly. Can set the number of minutes after the cat goes to the toilet to automatically clean up, so that it will be clean and refreshed every time it goes to the toilet. On top of that, it has a large rubbish box, which can easily collect garbage clumps, reducing the number of trips to throw out the garbage. And the anti-pinch cat safety hatch will be closed after the shovels work, so that can protect cats from the source. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best value product. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.